guys, it is Ava here. Today I'm going to be making slime blindfolded. Because the last time I made the slime blindfolded, you guys kept saying in the comments, we cheated. But we didn't. I'm not talking about that because I don't want to get in a fight. If you think we did, then we did. If you think we didn't, then we didn't. But people kept commenting that we cheated. So I'm going to do it again, and this time I'm going to be by myself, because last time I did it with my friend. So I'm just getting everything out and ready that I need. And I have I don't know why the scissors are here. So I have this scarf, and it's completely black. Can't see anything. I'm making slime blindfolded. Wow. Hopefully I don't use a lot of glue, hopefully. But here are the colors. And I'm just going to guess the color. Let's go all over the place. I'm going to guess the color I'm going to use is going to be like white. Yellow. They're like the green. So, here's that. Glue everything right here. I literally just made a ruby red slime, and I made a video. Someone called me, I paused it, and then deleted the video, and I'm like, I'm not doing that because the video already, like something already happened to the video before that happened. So, let's get with the video. Okay guys, I am actually scared because I'm in here by myself, dark, I don't know what to do. But let's get started. Okay, oh god, oh, okay, I'm so scared. Did I even pause it? Yes, okay, wait. Okay, I did. Okay. Oh god. Oh no. Okay, I need to look real quick. Too dark. Gosh. Okay, this is the color, everybody. Okay, hold on. It's like way too dark. Okay guys, this is not cheating. It's really scary. Spatula. I can't do it. Where's my spatula? Where is it? What the heck? What the, is it on the floor? What the heck? Okay. I don't even know where it is. And guys, I'm not cheating. I'm trying my very best. It's really dark in here. Oh, I found it. Okay. I'll make another one of these videos. Is the video going? Yes, okay. found it. What the heck? Why won't they both stand? Okay. I have an itch. Okay. Wait, I have an itch.
Over there and plug that in. I gotta plug my phone in.
Okay.
I know. I gotta plug my phone in.
Where is the... Oh.
Just pull it and
Where's
plug it in somewhere. See?
Baking soda. Oh, okay. Okay. Some baking soda in there.
Ava,
I'm making a video.
I need my charger.
Hold on. It's not in here. Sorry guys about that. Is this even coming together? Oh, God. And I'm so confused right now. I don't know if I poured a lot in or not. Still, I think this color is green. Okay. Or maybe I think it's blue. Oh, this feels okay. I don't know what color this is. Yellow, green, blue. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I put too much baking soda in. So it's like eggs. You can see like all like the lines. Not that shit. But I don't know what container I'm gonna put this in. So this video gets to 60 likes, then I'm gonna give away some slimes to people who subscribe to my channel. And this isn't, I don't like this slime. And whoever turns my notifications on, oh God. But yeah, I'm not making another video. I'm not making another video because I'm just scared. It's dark. So yeah. Bye guys.